Hi guys, and welcome to the video. Now I've got an amazing set of free gifts going live today over the next 3 days. So I've got some free gifts today, free gifts tomorrow, and free gifts the day after. Now my first lot are 5 fully done for you funnels. Well, let me just scroll to the bottom of this page. I'm going to speak about this page in a moment, but I'll scroll right down here. So I've got 3 full funnels with master PLR, which means you can do whatever you wish with these. You can give them away, you can resell them, you can resell the contents, whatever you want. You can do whatever you want with those. You've got a lead page, you've got ebook, you've got graphics, you've got docs, you've got videos, you've got ads, you've got your upgrade page, and you've got an extra upgrade bonus as well. So you've got 3 of those packs. Now tomorrow we're going to have more funnels. Then the day after that we'll even have more downloads as well. So make sure that you keep checking back, because as I said, we're going to have some amazing downloads. Now, on the 13th of November, a very special offer goes live called PodGorilla. Now, this is from Neil Napier, a very, very good friend of mine who creates amazing products. Now, because it's such a good product, and I have tested this, works very, very well, I wanted to create a bonus that was very congruent to the offer, but also enhanced it as well. So what I've got is I've got 4 apps that are all around podcasting. So it will help you use PodGorilla even better. So we've got Hook Script, we've got Keyword Cast, and we've got Podflow and Pod Repurpose Engine. Now I'm going to show you these when I do the review of PodGorilla. I'll show you inside and I'll show you exactly what these do. We've got 4 apps there, so you've got personal rights to those, but I'm also giving you reseller to all 4 apps. So you get the sales page, you'll get thank you page, graphics, everything that you need to resell those 4 apps. And I'm giving you a done for you bundle reseller as well. So what that means is you can resell the whole 4 apps as one bundle. You know how popular bundles are at the moment. All you need to do, upload the sales page, upload the thank you, and you're good to go. Okay, so that's the full resellers and the bundle as well. Now we're also offering the white glove app build. Now, if you're unsure how to kind of install, set up, brand these apps, what I'm going to do is myself and my team will do all this for you. So we'll customize the apps, we'll customize the sales pages, we'll host the sales pages, host the apps, and we'll install everything, get everything ready to launch. Okay, so that's some 4 apps. Then also one-to-one kickstart. So what I'm going to do, I will have a private one-to-one 30-minute Zoom session with you. So you can jump on the call, I will walk you through the apps, anything you need to know about getting them going, that will be covered on that call. So you get a full 30-minute call with me. Then I'm also got white glove payment integration. So what we'll do, as well as setting up the apps, getting them all ready, we'll also integrate the payment systems with you, with the apps as well. So that's a super valuable bonus because a lot of people struggle with this. Then we've got 25 done for you podcasts. So these are all ready to go. You can start using these right away. And we've got some other amazing bonuses as well. We've got the Underground Affiliate Vault. We've got Traffic Trends Tracker. We've got Supreme Affiliate Marketing, JV Funnels Made Easy, Reseller Done for You Funnel. So you can see this is a huge bonus. Now, most of the bonuses available for the front end. There's a couple, like for example, the white glove sections. You must purchase any product in the funnel of $79 or above. Okay, but I'll speak more about that when we get to the 13th. Okay, so an amazing bonus, not to be beat. So make sure that you join the webinar. If you purchase on the webinar, you can claim my bonuses. My bonus will be set inside JVZoo, so you'll be able to get those. And make sure that you keep coming back every day over the next 3 days, because I will be giving free offers away every single day. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.